Are you looking for a Flipper Zero, a cheaper version of Flipper Zero? Then this is the right video for you. In this video, we are going to create a Flipper Zero with Lite M5, a better, more powerful Flipper Zero for just rupees 5,000. Introducing Lite M5, a better Flipper Zero and a cheaper Flipper Zero. In this video, we are going to take a look at how you can create your own Flipper Zero in less than 5,000 rupees. This video will be an introductory video to all the features available in Lite M5. So the first and the most important part is Wi-Fi hacking. This device has options to use Wi-Fi attacks and even evil portal attack. This little cute Flipper Zero can perform big attacks like deauthentication and war driving. This device also has features that can work on TCP client and various other ESP32 attacks. Is your iPhone really secured? Because this Flipper Zero also has features for Bluetooth hacking like iOS spam. Windows and Android devices are not secured at all. This also has bad USB features, and in the series we'll learn about all the features and experiment them. Besides Wi-Fi and Bluetooth hacking, this little device also has hacking for radio frequencies. So you can either analyze the spectrum or work around with sub-gigahertz and jam the whole radio frequency. This device is quite powerful in terms of features. It also has features for RFID hacking, where you can either read the card or you can clone it and emulate the card. So it's a quite powerful tool in terms of RFID. Besides that, it has various features with infrared. Yes, this is the king of all the wireless hacking techniques in hardware category. It has infrared TV beam and IR receiver with FM hacking that can broadcast reserve channels and FM spectrums. So now you might have a simple question: where and how you can get the device? You can get the device in the form of a watch and worldwide with a price of 5,000 Indian rupees. This device ships worldwide with the firmware pre-installed, and it is priced at around 5,000 Indian rupees. All the purchase link will be available with the video either in the description or in the post section. Purchase the device right away and check the links in the description or in the post. By the way, if you want to learn in detail about the features and how to use them, then check our YouTube channel for more details.